Today we're making something really simple, but honestly, it makes your kitchen smell like a bakery instantly. This apple pie finishing sugar is one of those little mixes you'll end up sprinkling on everything. The full recipe link is in the description below. Into a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar for that sweet, balanced base. Then mix in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for warm, comforting spice. Next, add 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg and 1/8 teaspoon of ground allspice to build that classic apple pie depth. Now sprinkle in 1/8 teaspoon of ground clove for a rich aromatic note, and finish with 1/8 teaspoon of salt to sharpen and balance all the sweetness. Mix everything well using a spoon or your fingers, breaking up any brown sugar lumps until the blend becomes even and fragrant. If you're enjoying simple ideas like this, go ahead and like the video, share it with someone who loves baking, and don't forget to subscribe to SpiceRally. And make sure you tap the bell icon so you never miss the next recipe. And your apple pie finishing sugar is ready, warm, aromatic, and full of dessert-like magic. Just a sprinkle instantly brings that cozy apple pie flavor to toast, pancakes, oatmeal, or baked treats. If you make a bigger batch or have any leftover sugar, just store it in a well-fitting airtight container. Keep it in a cool, dry place, and it will stay fresh for up to 6 months. That's all for this one, a simple little mix that you can keep in your kitchen and use anytime you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more simple, homemade recipes like this.